Welcome to Product Critique, where today we'll be diving into the best caboose stroller on the market, the Joovy Caboose 2 Sit and Stand Double Stroller. This versatile and innovative stroller offers a perfect solution for parents with 2 young kids, and it's packed with features that make it stand out. The Joovy Caboose 2 is a double stroller that truly caters to the needs of both your infant and toddler. Whether you're going for a stroll in the park or navigating through crowded spaces, this stroller adapts to your kids' needs, letting them either sit, stand, or ride on the back platform. It's like having 3 strollers in one. The rear bench seat allows your toddler to sit comfortably while the infant enjoys the front seat. But that's not all. The rear seat can also be converted into a standing platform for your older child, giving them the freedom to move around. One of the best features of the Caboose 2 is its universal car seat adapter. This means that no matter the brand of car seat you have, you won't need to buy a new stroller when your newborn arrives. The stroller is ready to accommodate any car seat, making it perfect for parents with both an infant and a toddler. And as your children grow, the adjustable front and rear seats ensure they're always comfortable and secure. When it comes to comfort, Joovy has thought of everything. The stroller features 3 reclining positions in the front seat, allowing your baby to nap peacefully while you're out and about. The heavy-duty 4-wheel suspension ensures a smooth ride, even on bumpy sidewalks, so your little one can rest undisturbed. The stroller's frame is made from durable aluminum, and it can support up to 90 pounds, making it ideal for both toddlers and heavier babies. The Caboose 2 is also incredibly practical. It comes with a large under-seat storage area, perfect for carrying all your essentials like diaper bags, shopping, and toys. The stroller's compact design allows it to fit in most car trunks, so you can easily take it with you wherever you go. Plus, the easy-tap rear brakes make it safe and convenient to stop, providing peace of mind when you need it most. This stroller's large sun canopy keeps your kids safe from harmful UV rays, and its lightweight frame makes it easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces. Whether you're running errands or taking a leisurely walk, the Joovy Caboose 2 is the ultimate solution for busy parents with 2 young children. In conclusion, the Joovy Caboose 2 Sit and Stand Double Stroller is hands down one of the best strollers for parents with multiple kids. With its convertible seating options, smooth ride, and practical features, it ensures that both you and your children have a comfortable and enjoyable experience. So, if you're looking for a versatile, durable, and easy-to-use stroller, the Caboose 2 is a top choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. See you in the next review.